Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on Login Helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can block ads on your Android phone without using any app. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and visit your settings app on your mobile. Then on the search bar, type DNS. You'll see the option of private DNS. You can either tap on it or you can go ahead and on your settings home screen, you'll be able to see connection and sharing, and you'll find private DNS option under manage connections section. So once you tap on private DNS, go tap on private DNS provider hostname, and under this type dns.adguard.com and finally tap on save. After that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go back and search for Google on your settings, tap on Google system settings, and then you'll be able to see the ads section under services on this device. Tap on it. Now tap on delete advertising ID. What this will do is it will basically delete your advertising ID to no longer show you personalized ads. So tap on it and tap on delete advertising ID. As you can see, my advertising ID has been deleted, so I'm no longer gonna get personalized ads. Once I've entered the DNS settings as well, I will no longer be getting ads on my Android phone, and this is how you can also block ads on your Android phone without using any app. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.